Good morning, guys. We're on the crack of dawn here. Decided to have another crack since yesterday. I'm hoping to get to another spot, but it's like the wind might not be great for us. So, decided to have a rematch. There's a lot of seaweed in the water, and the swell's still holding, so a little bit risky for our line. Let's get this out there, eh? Seems to be calming down a little bit. Let's get this plugged in. Got the old safety clip. Drop one, coming right up. Drop one, done. Yeah, I think we're over in the crap over here. Oh, we might be over the top now. It's moved, no doubt about that. Not sure how successful we'll be today. You never really are. Oh, that felt like a butt. It's a southeaster, but certainly pushing more south than east. When the south-southeast winds come through, or the southerlies, it's just pushing your line from left to right as you're sending it out. You can't necessarily drop your bait in the spot that you want it. And then you got seaweed to deal with. So it's not the easiest. Certainly looks like we're onto some seaweed here. Pull it off the line, we'll be doing all right. Seems to be okay for now. Yeah, it's definitely been a rough trot lately. We haven't caught that much. You get those periods, and we've still had a lot of fun getting out. Stoked with that. Wow. These are lovely tailor. Look at that. These are big tailor. There's no need of drone when you're getting tailor like this. He wasn't getting off. Absolute rip snorter. Look at that. Well, we're not eating you, buddy. Though many would. We'll get you back home, buddy. We can stay above this seaweed. We might be okay here. Activity's certainly picking up. Got the new castaway tackle, Saragossa SW 25,000. Absolute cracking reel. It's making life a lot easier for us. got a breakaway or grapnel sinker on there. Seems to be holding the ground a little better, keeping us away from the seaweed, so probably going to be fairly pivotal coming into the colder months. Getting some little nibs, I think. Little bits of seaweed off the line, can't do that. Positive signs. Still got a fair bit of time. Certainly a lot of seaweed around, but we're hanging in.
I think I'm on here, buddy.
Woo! I think that's a good one. Right, we're not far away. Oh, he feels good. He's taking me to the left a little bit now. Feels nice. Could be a small one though with seaweed. There he is. Oh, this is decent. It's a snapper. Just gonna wait for this wave. I think it's a snapper. Might be a shark. Yeah, it's a shark. I think it's a shark, mate. Yep. What do we got there? Little bronzy. Fantastic. Well, lovely little reef shark to get us started. Got to get the fins off, bleed and gut it as soon as you possibly can. And the quality of meat down this section is outstanding for high quality fish and chips. All right, we need another bait out there. Hooks are standing up, so we should be all right to get these out again. Still a bit of seaweed around, but it seems to be manageable. See what else we can get. Drop 2. Can we get any more success? I'm ready. So we've got these grapnel or breakaway sinkers. Just got to reset that so it'll grab the bottom, and if something gets snagged, hopefully it'll break away like so. We can get it back. Let's get it out there. All right, so we've got the spot saved. We're just going to head straight back there. Let's go, little Larry. So we're only at drop 2. There's a lot of seaweed out there. So we should get around 3 or 4 drops per battery. It depends how many we want today, to be honest. Almost there. Yeah, we're in a good spot this time. The wind's held back, so might be in for a bit more luck. All right, let's get another one out. That one didn't seem as successful. I wonder if we still got cleaned up, or because maybe we're on a snag. Oh, we're on a snag, all right. Yep, that's why we're getting no bites. Something's come through and absolutely smashed that. Probably on the way down. Don't mind these little side pieces. they allow you to do is kind of get one hook on one side of the bait and one on the other. I think we'll try the same spot again, seeing how that bait got annihilated, so let's go. So that's drop 3 done, and we've still got half the battery, so that's not bad. Probably got one more in us on that battery. Right, well, we should have still a little bit of time up our sleeve. See if we can knock out a big bite while the sun's up. Oh, oh. We might be on here. Woo! Let's go. We've got to land the drone. Let's go. Woo! What have we got here? Oh! Holy! We're getting monster zings here. This might be a big ray or a shark. He's giving us some stick. Oh, he wants to go. Oh yeah, there's a lot of weight there. I think this is a ray. But let's hope not. Let's hope we're getting a monster here. Oh, he's peeling. We're gonna have to get that other line in, or we're gonna cross it. So yeah, he's not moving, so that looks like it's a ray. Oh, that's a fat brim. Fat little tarwine or brim. Caught a few of those over the journey, haven't we? Oh yeah. He's working us. Tighten the drag. Wow. It's got to be a ray at that heavy. But I'd be loving a monster snapper or a mulloway or a dewy. I can see it thrashing. I think it's a bronzy, a big one. Oh, he's trying to take us for a big run here. Just want to get my line back at this point. Oh! Wow, what a run. Whoa! I'm getting peeled, man. Oh my gosh. We're going to see whether we can get him back. He does not want to come in. Now he's trying to roll me. Feels sharky. Come off. Well, he's either busted off or he spat the hooks. Either way, I'm happy. That was pretty cool though. Whew, what a fight. Have we had some big zings over the journey. Whew. Lots and lots of bust offs. Look at this guy, mate, he's massive. Oh, there he goes, he just busted off. This is not a stingray. Oh, no. No, did I pull him off? Yes, I did. Oh, look how angry it is. I don't think that's a ray. I think that's something bigger. I think that's just a massive shark, mate. Because he put a really big bait on. Whoa! It might be. We're hoping it's a fish. A giant squid. So there's no other option but to do the walk back. Ah, oh, gone. Gone. Got something all right? Oh my God! She's on here! This could be a mulloway. And you're on very light line, so we can't really go. Please be a mulloway, please be a mulloway. Oh, it came off. I think it just broke off. Oh, we won't know what it was. Another good day on the Aru. See you next time.